Cordless hair clippers hair trimmer for men. Our Brightup all-in-one multifunctional grooming kit is a professional precision shaving system design, including 6 trimmer heads and stand base for easy collection and organization. Come with 5 hair trimmer combs which can precisely control the length of the hair, styling your beard, hair, body, private, mustache, nose, ear, facial, groin to any desired look. Whole body washable design for easy cleaning. Blades detachable, also easy to clean by using the brush incidental. For best results, let it dry naturally. LED display indicates battery power and reminds you to charge. Built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery delivers up to 90 minutes of runtime for charge by only about 1.5-hour charging. High performance can be achieved anywhere. You can maneuver the cordless hair clippers easily and use them anywhere to ensure enjoyment of your traveling. It's small and portable.
To buy this product, the link is in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to receive the best products and best offers.